8, I joined School of Drawing and Design, RCA School of Commerce. But at that time, I was only a art master. But I should have a diploma of art in art. So there was only one institution in the India, that JJ School of Art. So I gave intermediate examination there, advanced examination there, painting diploma in painting from JJ School of Art. And at that time, my financial condition was not so good that I can rely on painting. So I joined Gujarat Samachar as a cartoonist, but my inner feeling was that I should do painting. God blessed me. It was a very fine days for me that I have passed 25 years Gujarat Samachar. Financially I was very strong because I was doing commercial work also. And after that, I have started as an interior designer. When I was a young boy, studying in primary school in small village Halisa, one day, when in recess, we are friends, go behind our school wall for bathroom, and the school wall was painted with chuna, white. I had pencil in my pocket. I was so impressed by this white wall that after taking my one book, I have started the portrait of Maharana Pratap on that wall. But I was so involved in my painting that when the recess was over, all boys were in the class. When our teacher saw that I myself, that is Nattu, he is not there. Some boys told that Nattu was doing some litas on that wall, and he is at the bathroom area. Our teacher was very astonished. He came, he saw me drawing, painting. He did not speak. He come behind me and silently he was very minutely saying that when I finished my drawing, I have recess is over and what I am doing. When I saw my teacher was behind me, I was very afraid that he will beat me. But he told me, he put his hand on my head and said, Nattu, you are a very good artist. He took me in his hand and he came in the class and he told all the students that he is the boy born with the art. So I am proud of him. This is my first painting, but it was my hard luck that I cannot preserve it and I cannot show you. This was my first experience of art. It was in 95 that I had retired from my commercial work and I started my painting. Before that, I was thinking that what I should do in this painting. I had two subjects. One was watercolor wash technique. That when I was a student, I want to do that painting by that style. But by birth and by community, I am Sutharba caste. I have studied of so many Havelis and Khadkis and so. I was pleased that our Chabutra, our Khadki, our Jarukha, our mud, unique work. It was Gujarati style. So, when I take round in the city, I found that, we have a good, very good heritage, we have good, very good things in our city. So, for the years together, every Sunday, I wander, I study in the city streets. I have got some drawings, I have got some sketches. After that, I have one in my mind that I should do our heritage and I should preserve and I should show to the world that we have this much of heritage. So, I have started by painting in the impression that one beautiful house which was built 200 years before, I imagine that that time, when the house was built, every streets, every atmosphere was so beautiful that the streets were full of this type of houses, that type of dresses, that type of colorful festivals. So, by that imagination, I have done all my paintings that this is our heritage. And I have a very good collection of paintings. Foreigners, Indian foreigners, the people of Gujarat and India love my paintings, and today I am known as a heritage artist. The second thing which was in my mind that I should do the watercolor wash paintings. And when the rainy season starts, I cannot go to the streets, I cannot go to the outfield, and it is very good timing for the watercolor wash. It was in wet that I have started that type of series, and I have done so beautiful paintings. I have done 5 to 6 exhibition, solo exhibition of that watercolor wash painting, and I have a huge collection of 1,000 paintings in my portfolio that I preserve for my family. It was early 60 when I finished my study. I was very much impressed by the work of Rasikbhai Parekh. And before that, when I was in Bombay, it was Jagannath Adivasi. He was also doing on the watercolor wash technique. And after that, I had a very good figure in my work. I was very active in my figuring, painting, drawing. So, after that, I have done some paintings just near to Rasikbhai Parekh style wash technique. But then I realized that I should have some different style of work. So I started, Rasikbhai was doing wash technique. He was putting, after drawing, he was putting colors, then he washed it. He put some colors, then he washed it, and after that he finished the painting. I have done in the way that I do drawing of watercolor, wash paper, I apply colors, then I do not put painting near the watercolor tap, but I do some wash by brush. After that, by tissue paper, I take some water and color, I apply more color, more detail, and where I am satisfied by the part of that good painting, I do not touch it. But after that, the remaining portion, I make it finish. And by that way, I finish my painting. This is something what I think that this is my unique technique. What you are seeing in this channel is a promotion of artist, promotion of art, promotion of new generation, and promotion of energy. If you like this channel, this work, the paintings and the everything which you have seen, if you like it, then you can tell to your friends also. You can tell your friends to see all this work and channels. And I think this is the only thing which had come now in the market, that the art appreciation, art uplifting is doing. So this is our duty, this is our heartily duty that we should appreciate this thing, and it should be spread all our friends, between our friends and to all our well wishers. This is okay.